Did you notice that sentiment score of -0.70 for software? That's a significant dip compared to the historical baseline, hinting at growing dissatisfaction. What's even more intriguing is the positive momentum of +0.59. We're seeing an unusual contrast here, indicating that while sentiment is low, interest, or engagement, might still be on the rise. Our API captures this dynamic by providing you with detailed insights, including semantic clusters that reveal why users feel this way. Imagine leveraging this data to adjust your product roadmap or marketing strategy, responding to user sentiment before it spirals. If you want to dive deeper and understand these trends in your applications, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.